Okay, here it is, the long-anticipated Icom 9700 transceiver, capable of 2 meters, 70 centimeters, and 1.2 gigahertz, or 23 centimeters, an all-mode radio here. This is brand new. I'm going to have an unboxing at the end of this video here, but I just wanted to give you a quick video of what the radio looks like, and we'll go through a couple things. But look forward to more videos coming out. I'm planning to do videos of how to program FM repeaters manually, how to set up your hotspot manually, and connect it up to D-Star and things like this. So hopefully we should have more videos coming here soon. So let's see. If you have an Icom 7300, then you should be familiar with a lot of this stuff. You can flip them, and I think you can get rid of them too. Yeah, there you go, and you can expand. Let's just play around here a little bit, get you an idea what it looks like. And you got the audio. I think you can do both there. Just all kinds of cool features here. FM, you got your SSB, CW, a digital, RIDI, decoding, AM, data. All really cool stuff. Here's the menu. You got the scope, the audio, the voice, the meter, satellite. Definitely exciting for the satellite enthusiasts out there. And you have two sets of menu items here as opposed to the 7300. This is your GPS information. With this radio, you can enter the GPS either manually, or you can connect it to a GPS receiver. Since it's in the shack here, I just decided to go ahead and enter it all manually. And that's probably what I'll end up doing here. But really cool radio, capable of all kinds of fun stuff. Let's see, two menus on the function also. So some of the 7300 users won't be quite used to all this stuff here, but really exciting stuff. And I plan to have videos showing you the D-Star. Like I said, I'm going to show you how to program FM repeaters manually. So for those guys that don't like to whip out the computer and do it through the computer and all that stuff, I'm going to show you how to do all that. So look forward to videos coming up here showing you all this stuff and letting you just listen to the radio and see how it runs. We're also going to be playing with the waterfall display. You can adjust it to all kinds of different parameters, different colors, different settings, different intensities. Really cool stuff. So we're going to be going through all that too. And if you guys have any other ideas that you'd like to see from the Icom 9700, feel free to put those below in the comments. And please like and subscribe. At the end of this video will be the unboxing video. It's just a quick unboxing of the radio. And so I hope you guys really enjoy that. And really quick, I'm just going to show you what this looks like next to the 7300. So real quick, I'll pan around here. So they look really nice together there. Really nice. So beautiful radios. Icom, you know, they do a fantastic job. I do have Yaesu radios too, so for those guys that think I'm just promoting Icom here, I do have Yaesu radios too. So looking forward to a lot more videos on YouTube with ham radio stuff, especially about the 9700. And probably some things about the 7300 too. The waterfall display settings are pretty much going to be the same, but I might do a separate video on both on the waterfall settings because I've had requests to do it on the 7300. But we'll also do the 9700. So 7.3s, guys. Appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe and share my videos. I'd like to continue to grow the channel, especially to do a lot more videos on ham radio. For the flashlight enthusiasts that might be still watching this video, even though it's basically on radios, I do have a new flashlight coming. Banggood.com has been kind enough to send me a flashlight, and I'll have that video coming out soon, as soon as I receive the flashlight and get some time to test it out and stuff. So anyway, and while we're at it, we'll take the plastic off the screen here. So there you go, no plastic on the screen, and just awesome. So really looking forward to this radio and using it and testing it out. And I'll probably have some videos just showing it receiving and what it sounds like and what it looks like when it's receiving D-Star and FM repeaters and things like this. So stay tuned, guys. 73s from K4BBC. You guys take care. And upcoming next is the unboxing video. Thank you so much. Okay, very excited. Just arrived from Gigaparts, the new Icom 9700. Ordered this just before the weekend here, and very excited to open it up here and do a lot of videos on this new radio. I know a lot of people were excited in anticipation of this radio, so I'm one of them. Really excited about this. So let's open this thing up and see what we got here. I ordered a couple of accessories with the Icom so I could install it obviously in my shack, you know, with everything I needed. So anyway, let's open her up. Always exciting to open new stuff. Always exciting. Let's see where the seal is here. There we go. All right. Got a packing slip or what have you. Always good. Some advertising here from Gigaparts. Thank you, Gigaparts. All right, let's see. Well, there's the main box, and of course all the fun bubble wrap. The nice thing when they had this radio, they had it with a free cover, and it looks like I got. When you order from Gigaparts, they had a special. You get a free radio cover with it, and it looks like I got 3 of them. Which this is funny because when I put the order in, I tried to, it was only supposed to give me 1, but the computer kept defaulting to 3 of these for free. So I actually called them to tell them, hey, I only wanted 1 of these. Can you guys fix it? Well, apparently they unfortunately didn't fix it, and they sent me 3 covers for the Icom. So now I have 3 covers. All right, I got the mounting bracket. The way I have it in my shack, I don't have it sitting on a table. I have it mounted up high. So let's take a quick look at that. Nothing too special about a mounting bracket, but all right, got the Icom MB118, and there's the bracket with all the accessories. All right, we'll put that back in there for now. I know you're more excited about the radio. Let's close this up here. Get this out of the way. And I also bought the Duplexer. So this is made by MFJ, and you see it has the SO239 and the N adapter, so I can run off one antenna. I only have one antenna, a dual band Diamond X50A to run this, so I needed a duplexer in order to run it off of one antenna, so I got that too. And there's the main box. Get the other box out of the way here. All right, very cool. Icom 9700. I gotta say, it's quite heavier than the Icom 7300. I can feel there's definitely more in this one than the Icom 7300. It definitely seems to weigh more than the Icom 7300, which I've heard before in other unboxings. People have said it weighs a bit more. So. All right, you get the instruction manuals. Wow. You get, looks like 3 of them here. Let's take these out and take a look. I didn't figure I'd get 1. I didn't really get 3 of them. Oh, I guess they're in different languages. Okay, I got you. So anyway, you got 3 different languages, so you get 3 manuals. So there's the one in English. So that was interesting. I didn't expect that. I expected just to get 1 manual, not 3 separate ones. All right. Okay, you got the power supply with the 2 fuses, very important, and a plug. And we get the microphone, very nice. If you have an Icom 7300, it's pretty much the same microphone as you get with the Icom 7300. I'll take it out real quick and look at it. Yep, standard microphone there. All right, very nice. We'll put that aside here. And you get some fuses and an adapter here. You guys are seeing that okay. Take that out of here. Put that off the side so I don't lose it. And very well packaged. It's always good to see when you're having a radio shipped across the country that it's well packaged. So plenty of cardboard. And I always save the boxes in case I ever need to sell the radio. A lot of people, if they're going to buy a used equipment, they like to have all the boxes and the manuals and all that kind of stuff, so totally understandable there. All right, this is it. Wow. All right. Nothing else in there. All right, here we go. The new Icom 9700. Wow. There it is. Beautiful radio. Definitely more hefty than the Icom 7300. You can see the ports there on the back. And wow, very, very cool. This is going to look great sitting next to my 7300, as they look like twins. So wow, this is really going to help complete my shack, because until now I haven't had any way to do SSB or satellite work and some of the other modes on here. And I just got into D-Star. I have a Kenwood THD74, and really enjoying D-Star, especially when the bands on HF and stuff aren't really being cooperative, or no one's really talking on the repeaters. So really, really excited about this. So anyway, that's the unboxing. The next video is going to be showing it in my shack, having it up and running, and showing you what it looks like sitting next to the 7300, and we'll go through it together. So this should be really, really exciting. So look forward to doing more videos, guys. Greatly appreciate it. Thanks so much. 73s.